Hello. So we're going to go over slope in similar triangles. So we have this diagram here. We are going to be looking at finding the slope of the line using the triangle in simplest form. So here we can do the large one and then reduce it, or we can just look at the small one here. So remember that your slope is rise over run. So how much does this go up by? It goes up by 1. It goes over by 3, so it's going to be 1 over 3. So your slope in simplest form is going to be 1/3. Alright, so this one here reads, two right triangles with the following dimensions are graphed with their hypotenuse on the same line. So you have triangle X that has a horizontal leg measuring 2 units and a vertical leg measuring 5 units. Triangle Y has a horizontal leg measuring 7 units and a vertical leg measuring 17.5 units. So which other triangle could also have their hypotenuse on the same line? So we have to find the slope of those two and then see which other ones have the same slope. So we look at triangle X. We're going up 5 over 2. So it's going to be 5 over 2. And 5 over 2 gives us a slope of 2.5. And if we look at triangle Y, we put the vertical leg, so that's the rise, so 17.5, over the run, which is the horizontal leg, so 7. And 17.5 divided by 7 also gives us 2.5. So we need to look at our options and see which other ones gives us a slope of 2.5. So the first one there, we can put 10 over 8. But that gives us 1 1/4, so that one cannot be on the same line. For B, we have 10 over 4, which does give us 2.5, so B is one of our answers. Let's see about C. So 15 divided by 6 also gives us 2.5, so B and C are now part of our answer. And let's look at D. So if you take 25 and divide that by 10, that also gives us 2.5. So B, C, and D are all answers. Okay, so this one here, we're given that triangle LMN is similar to triangle NOP, and they're both right triangles. So we know which statements about the two triangles must be true. Select all that are correct. So we have that the sides LN, so L and N and P must have the same slope. Well, since they're all on the same line, we can say that is true. They are not congruent, however, because they are not side by side. So then triangle LMN and NOP are congruent, and once again, that is also not the case here. But if you look at sides L and M and N are proportional to the sides NO and OP. So we're saying that this is going to be able to do the same ratio as this one here, and that this one here is the same ratio as this one here, which it is. So our answers are both A and D. So here it asks which two triangles are similar. So our options is either A and B, A and D, B and C, or B and D. So look at the slopes of the lines, look at each of their vertical and horizontal legs. So when we look here, we see that triangle A is a right angle, and so is triangle D. B and C are not right triangles, and if you look at the relationship between this leg and this leg are not the same. However, you look at the ratio between this leg, this leg, this leg, and this leg, they are the same. So the triangles that are similar is going to be A and D, so B is going to be our correct answer. Okay, if you have any other questions about this lesson, please make sure you let your homeroom teacher know. Thank you.